kids? In today's video, we are going to be drawing
a milkshake inspired by this milkshake created by
Maddie.
She made this awesome paper version and it inspired us to want to draw one for you guys. So that's today's video. Want to get started?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. We're using this as our inspiration. Madeline created this out of paper. It's amazing. That's a whole separate lesson that she may do on the channel sometime. But it is really cool, super amazing, all made out of paper. And we're gonna draw it today. We've never drawn a milkshake. So, you ready to draw this?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, ready? First move is we're gonna draw the cup. So we're gonna start right about here. We're gonna go down on a slight angle. Make a little curve at the bottom, slight angle back up. Okay, got that? Ready? Slight angle. Down. Curve at the bottom. Slight angle back up. Do you want to make your curve at the bottom first?
Sure.
I don't know if that's easier. Next, we're going to just make sure that these lines are fairly even. Mine has to go up a little bit over here. Good. All right, cool. Now, when we draw across, it's easier for me to tip my paper, so I'm going to just do a slight dip from side to side. Nice. All right, cool. Now, we're going to draw the straw next. The straw is sticking straight into the whipped cream, being held up by both the whipped cream and the ice cream. That's right. So we're going to draw the straw right in here, and it's going to be standing straight up, just like this. Okay, nice big straw. Get all of that awesome milkshake out of there. Cool. Now, Landon, do these have to be perfect?
Nope.
No, because at Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection. We go for
fun.
That's right, fun. So, the next one we're gonna do, the straw is also, it's like a cylinder, so it has a circle opening. So we're gonna dip this down from one side to the next, and then in the back, we're gonna curve it like that, so it really looks like an oval. Okay, now we have loads of room for all sorts of whipped cream. And I'm gonna load my whipped cream way up to here. The straw is just barely sticking out of it. There's so much goodness there. All right? And the whipped cream is just gonna be like a wiggly line all the way down. It might even be like hanging over the edge. Okay, ready? Here's how it's gonna go. Okay, that's one side, and then the other side is going to match. Nice. Oh, I like it. Looks so yummy. Okay, now, so where the straw is stuck in, we're going to see that wavy line of whipped cream in front of that. It's going to look something like this. Yeah, nice job. And since it's a swirl, generally the whipped cream's put on in a swirling motion, we're going to see some swirl lines. I'm just gonna draw them lightly. So it would have gotten whipped around, and then another layer. This layer can always connect with that. And then another layer. So there's your whipped cream lines, just like that. Cool, so next believe it or not, we're ready to color this thing in. It's a quick little video here today. But we're gonna make the straw, just like this straw. Okay, so we're gonna make it orange with a red line up the side of it to make it look official. We're gonna color the cup in like a brownish color to represent cardboard. And
Not cardboard, but paper.
paper. Yeah, like paper cup. So it's gonna look just like this. Are you ready?
Yep.
Do you want to do a magic trick? So Lynn and I are gonna do a magic trick, and what we've decided to do is we're gonna use the power of the Posca. Okay. So we're gonna do. These are just like magic wands. Okay.
Yeah.
You guys didn't know that, but they are. They're like magic wands. We're gonna 1, 2, 3. We're gonna tap our paper, and it'll instantly be colored. Any of the lines that need to be thickened will be thickened. The straw will look like a straw. Everything's gonna be beautiful. Okay, you ready, Landon?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Colored! Look at those, Land.
Those look amazing.
They look good enough to drink, don't they?
They do.
1, 2, 3. These are so good, Land.
Yeah, super good.
Whew. These are our milkshakes. Landon's
Yeah.
got a chocolate milkshake with whipped cream. I'm having a vanilla with whipped cream. And they are so good, especially as springtime is here and summer is fast a-coming. So we had a nice time doing these, didn't we, Landon?
Yeah.
Hopefully you drew along. If you didn't, check it out. Draw along next time. Until we see
you next time.
Keep drawing.
Stay awesome.
Bye.